Hindi masamang mangarap ng malaki. Ang tanong, handa ka bang i-align ang sarili mo para mas mapalapit doon? New arrivals are here. Introducing our newest collection of mantra bracelets designed for people na maraming goals, maraming gustong ma-achieve at gustong mas maging positive ang flow ng buhay nila. Ang mantra bracelet is used for wish fulfillment, more blessings, positive energy, at mas harmonious na daily flow. Kaya bagay ito sa mga may dreams na gustong maabot, may goals sa career, negosyo, or finances, at gustong mas maging aligned ang actions nila sa gusto nilang mangyari sa buhay. Available in different great combinations, jade and citrine with mantra, combination for stability, wealth attraction, confidence, at continuous blessings, citrine and mantra with wealth coins for abundance, financial opportunities, prosperity, luck, at stronger money flow, yellow jade and mantra for positivity, wisdom in decisions, smoother progress, at harmonious energy, jade and mantra for balance, protection, stability, and long-term growth habang tinatrabaho mo ang goals mo. Hi! I'm Master Hans, the Philippines' most trusted celebrity feng shui expert. Message us now to check our new mantra bracelet collection and reserve your favorite design today. Remember, feng shui is only a guide. Luck starts with us. Always be hands-on in life.